Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Child marriage. Ensure that no child marriage take place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Report any attempt of child marriage to the Panchayat and the government authorities.
Ka FXB India Suraksha kadai ka kanhun tray monskobha kan yalam yaki kanhun baper ban yatray lang ha Riboy district ban Pynduh Jait ya Jingshongkha Khynnah hapo ka 100-day intensive action plan bala kersan borba da kesorkar India kani kadai ruka Thong jong ka bal viva muk Bharat ban tray borba nagbenta ban pensuthu pajba ha ki school ki college ki jaka mani blay bat ki sinong kitau ban ya tray ringkat ban Pynduh Jait ya Jingshongkha Khynnah
report any attempt of child marriage to the Panchayat and government authorities, raise my voice for the dignity and safety of all children, and for the prohibition of child marriage free Bharat.
Pledge against child marriage. Child marriage is a social evil.
Child marriage is a social evil
And a violation of law that hampers girls' education, protection, health, and development, and prevent them from realizing their dream. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage. Ensure that no child marriage take place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Reports any attempts of child marriage to the Panchayat and the government authorities. Raise my voice for education and safety of all children, and I support the creation of a child marriage free Bharat.
Alright. Child marriage is a social evil and a violation of law that hampers girls' education, protection, health and development, and prevents them from realizing their dreams. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage. Ensure that no child marriage takes place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Report any attempt of child marriage to the Panchayat and the government authorities. Raise my voice for the education and safety of all children, and I support the creation of a child marriage free Bharat. Thank you.
So child marriage is a persistent social evil that not only Meghalaya but entire India is struggling with. Ministry of Women and Child Development (MWCD) last year started a campaign called Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat, which is Child Marriage Free India. And 27 November is the date on which it was launched. And this year, we all departments and many other community level leaders took a pledge for making Riboy district a child marriage free society. FXB India Suraksha is an organization that is working in different villages of Meghalaya, of Riboy especially, and is basically and is working side by side with district administration to try and eradicate this social evil from our society. As far as district administration is concerned, we have partnered up with them simultaneously from every platform that we get to interact with the community. We are continuously emphasizing on this message that child marriage is not only a social level, but it's actually a theft. It's a theft of freedom, it's a theft of potential, it's a theft of childhood, and it robs the child of all the infinite potential that he or she could have achieved. So it's something that the entire society has to come together. It's the moral responsibility, in fact, of the entire society that it has to come together and try and help in whatsoever manner possible to eradicate this social evil.
So since last year in November they have launched this campaign. So far, like how many colleges, school that you have organized the awareness?
So this program has been organized by MWCD. FXB India Suraksha is working under them. Their exact statistics though we do not really have. But then, as I said, from every platform that we get, wherein we are interacting with the community, whether it is at the SHG level, whether it is at the VEC level, or whenever any awareness program regarding any other social cause is also being discussed, child marriage is something that we are repeatedly taking up with the community.